You can probably tell from looking around in here, we're in a Knaus, and this Knaus is one of the best looking ones I've seen in a long time coming through. French bed at the back is vast. So is the bathroom stood behind you, Josh. Big shower combination wall splits it up. But it's about storage and it's about luxury in here. The leather is fantastic, two-tone. We've got a good seating area up front for a handful of people. We don't have that drop-down bed here, so it's all this glass. The shiny cabinetry as well, although it's dark, keeps it nice and light in here. It's not worn, it's been used, but it's been super well looked after. If you want any more information on this or any of the vehicles that we've got here at IH, do give us a call, check online. But if you really want to know what's going on in these vehicles, come and see us in Nottingley, West Yorkshire. It's new in this week. Behind me we've got the Benamar Melio, and that is the 201. 6 metres, or just under 6 metres, and it's a transverse bed across the back. This was on the manual box, very low miles. It's still got all the facilities, shower cubicle, cassette loo, heating, water, gas, the usual, but nice sat on a 6 metre, which goes really well, Josh, into our next, that came in 2 days ago. This is the Majestic, this is from Eldis, and this is 6 metres as well. In the back of this, we've got a couple of benches to make a lounge, which will pull together, but it will travel with 4 and it will sleep 2. But again, short vehicle on 6 metres or a 6 metre length. Now, if we're looking on the VW pop top side and size, we've got the T5 here, and this is built by VW. This is the VW California. Now what this has, electronic pop top, a great service history, fantastic metallic paint, alloy wheels, and a load of extras on the inside. But first and foremost, this has been looked after. If you're getting into motorhoming, if you're getting into day tripping, if there's one of you or a young family, we've got a daily driver here on an automatic box. That's the DSG box, with 65,000 miles. You can tell how well this has been looked after if we take a look at the interior. Covers on from brand new, great history all documented. If we're looking for a few facilities, water, gas, bit of cooking, bit of refrigeration, somewhere to have that picnic and get to the coast with the family, or to go a bit further afield onto sites, a VW California would be definitely one to take a look at. So inside the California here, it's the usual layout. This rock and roll multifunctioning bed allows you to have a tailgate seat bench at the back. With that tailgate over the top, you've not only got protection from the rain, which is perfect as we film now, Josh, but also out the back. There's little bits of storage all around, hidden underneath, drawer details. We've got the awning handles stored there. Got a diesel heater in this one as well. Both captain's chairs, both turn. This little setup will allow you more or less space in the back if we're traveling with more or less luggage. And then we've got the drop down bed at top. So this will travel with 5 and it'll comfortably sleep 4. Not too much else to say about the California. Everything we've got is here for you to come and take a look at. Solar on the roof, that's topping up your leisure battery. We've previous owners popped on a 4 bike rack carrier. They've also uprated these so we can still get in and out on there. Doors on electric assist close as well. It's got lots of little extras on this, which makes it really quite a unique little vehicle. But it's here with all of our cover, our warranty, our servicing, our MOT, and most importantly, our handover. If you're in and looking for a VW pop top and you want something just a little bit cooler than the norm, VW have built it for you, and it's right here. This is brand new, and we've got these in from Pelot. This is the 600, the V600J. What that is a 6 metre Fiat Ducato, automatic box, sleeps 3, but will travel with 4. We'll take a little look inside, but getting around the vehicle now, We've got solar on the roof, nice lithium package, diesel heating, awning on the side, and lots of little extras to keep you off grid, out and about for even longer. Brand new 76-800. It's an awesome bit of kit. We're really impressed with the contemporary finish on the inside, but come and let's take a look. Let's see what you guys think. Set up in the front in the Evidence. This is the 600 from Pilot, and what that gives us is a 6-metre van built on the Fiat Ducato. That is the new automatic box. 4 belts. It will sleep 3. This makes into a sort of kidney shape extra berth, extra bed here that utilises this table and a couple of extra cushions and woodwork that you see in the back. So if you're going away with a couple of people, you're going away with friends and you need 2 separate beds, you can get this set up for 2 or 3 people and travel with 4. These are absolutely brand new and brand new here in IH Motorhomes. We've got a lithium package on these. From factory, we've got onboard gas, onboard water. We've got a clever little shower and loo combination there. But if you're looking for something new, looking for something compact with all the warranty from the manufacturer, we've got it here, and this little package is really worth coming in and taking a little look online. This is a 6-metre van, so we're not going to get oceans of space, but what we've got works and works really well. Little slidey toilet, cassette loo, which allows you to have a full-size shower cubicle, and when you need the loo, it pulls out. Fridge with an ice box, and we've even got a little oven down at the bottom there. This van is about storage. At the back, with that bed folded up, we can bring bikes, canoes, whatever we want for outside activities, but you've got the space. Get to site, put the bed back down, and we're away. We are going to sleep transverse. We're going to sleep across the width of this van. Unless you're a real short person, you'll be able to sleep that way. But by design, we're sleeping across the van. Comfortable for 2. Got an extra bed here. That's 3 people travelling with 4. On the coach built side, guys, we've got these 2 from Auto Sleeper. Now, the Auto Sleeper Borton is an absolute favourite here at IH. On the automatic Mercedes chassis, this one's got 5,500 miles on it, and it's 1 owner. 2 bench seats pulled together with everything that you want inside. Lovely and selfish for 2 people. Real big feeling of space. That's on the French bed, the Auto Sleeper Broadway, the FB French bed. Now that will travel with 2, but it will sleep 4. Facing benches at the front pull into a double. So if we've got friends coming over to stay, they can get there in their car and they can come and sleep. Or if we've got grandchildren, let them get delivered. They can stay the night. Then your kids can pick up their kids and take them home. We've got one of the Swift Voyagers left. This is the Swift 584. Large raised fixed bed at the back over a huge garage. Very capable of taking a couple of bikes at least, and everything else you need to take with you. Up front, 2 large bench sheets that will pull together to make an extra double bed. That's got 4 travelling seats, and it will sleep 4. About 7.5 metres this one. It's a good sized vehicle, but that high roof that we've got without a drop down bed gives a really big living space. But for me, the separation at the back with 2 doors to give you a Jack and Jill bathroom, it means you've got an ensuite at the back, or if someone's having a lie-in, their door shuts and everyone up front can use that bathroom without interrupting. That's got 10,500 miles on it. It's a 2024 plate. If you want to spend another 20 grand, go and buy a new one or come and take a look at that. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're having a look around this Burstner. Now, why we love this Burstner is it's the Harmony line. Not only that, it's sat on the automatic Mercedes chassis, which makes this one of few that are just the most car-like to drive. Over 3.5 tons. So this one we drive on the C1 license. What we'll see in the back is a huge bathroom, big shower room, French bed, plenty of storage, and we've still got seating up front for 2 more. So we'll travel with 4 and we'll sleep 4 because of the drop down bed in this particular spec over the dinette area. So take a look inside and see why this could be one to come and see us here at IH Motorhomes. A lot of French beds sort of get a bad rap. They're normally pushed into a corner by design, but normally aren't as wide as this. I'm 6'1", and I am very comfortable all the way around. Even with my better half next to me, we still would get a decent night's sleep, destroying the myths that you have with the French beds that they really just don't work for people. Because of this double cut that we've got, I can get off the bed and not disturb Miss Jones, and vice versa. Huge bathroom in this. It's all about this massive shower, which if you've got a couple of friendly people, we could all get in here. This wall, with a push of a button and the authentic squeak, will then give you, if you take a look in there, Josh, everything we need. The loo, the sink, the basin, everything's covered up with the push of a wall. So usual setup, L-shaped seating here. This gives us the 2 upright chairs so we can travel with 2 extra seat belts here. But in this setup, it's what we can see sat above us, which makes it a lot more of a versatile cellar. We've got a great drop-down bed. 2 people can sleep on that, 2 adults. It comes down to just at sofa height or seating height there. Bit of a ladder to get the kids up, or if you're going away with a mate and you don't fancy sharing a bed, there is a separate bed. But if it's not used, it's tucked out of the way. Great lighting detail, as you expect with a Burstner. This really is a top-tier vehicle. So what we're noticing as we're moving around this vehicle is this separation that you've got. Cab is what it is, but with the seats turned round, 4 people comfortably eating, multi-functioning, multi-moving table here, which is nice. Kitchen area, it's its own little thing. We've got the great size fridge with an icebox there, oven with a grill, couple of burners on tap, great lighting detail. I keep saying that because that's what you get with a Burstner. That's it, 72,995. Storage, 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 bed, sat on a Merc. It's really that simple. Burstner know what they're doing. They've created a great coach build and they've put it on a fantastic base. This is just at 7 meters or 6.99 meters. Drive it on a C1 license. It's an automatic box. It's had 1 owner. And when people say it's got full service history, ask them to hand you the full service history, because that's what we can do with this. It's fully documented for servicing on the engine. It's fully documented for servicing on the habitation side. There is a lot of vehicle here, and it would do a lot of good for you to come and see it very quickly. Again, storage in this is fantastic. Underneath the French bed, spare wheels there for now. So there we have it, the Burstner Lycio M. This is the 660 on the Mercedes chassis, and it's a 2020 registration. 35,000, 36,000 miles, 1 owner, full service history, and there's a couple of extras on it. Barbecue point down the side, external TV point on it, awning with the awning light. If you want more than what's already on it, just ask. Did I tell you that we're a manufacturer? We build our own ranges here. However, when it's off-brand like this, if you needed an extra item or 2, possibly a tow bar, give us a call. We can put a package together on this or any one of the vehicles that we've got in stock here at IH to make it just right for you.